Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can change date format in Google Sheet. So let's get straight into it. So if you have some date right somewhere, so I will choose this cell right here. Now what I will gonna do is go here to format and then number, and here I will select down here custom date and time. And right here from this small window you can select templates for date and time as you want. So I can now change everything as I want, or I can also type in right here in this section that you see. So as you can see now I can type how I want my data to look like. So this is how you can customize date and time in your Google Sheet. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.